Welcome to the channel. My name is Aja Barkley. What up, what up, way up, way up. And today in this video, I will be bringing to you a news broadcast. Yep, you heard right, news broadcast. So, what's going on with my Forex funds? That's a platform, guys. If all you guys don't know, that's a platform. So, what's really happening with them, bro? You know, when some people try to do shortcuts and don't do things the correct way, I'm a platform trader. All right. So let me show you what's happening right now in the media right now. So this is what's going on. My Forex fund, which is a prop firm, they are being sued actually, alleged. You know what I mean? It has been said that they are taking money from clients, sums up to 300 million. Correct. 300 million. Bro, that's a lot of money in fees. And for me, I don't mess with currency. I really don't. I have heard of it, I've known about it, but I don't mess with it. I just stick with options and futures and stocks. I will mess with crypto too. But why is this important? People who are looking into get into stocks and cryptos and all of that, people, don't be fooled, all right? Because a lot of times you never know what these companies are up to. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for this article so you can go and read it yourself, because I'm not going to read everything, but I'm going to let you know what it says. All right. But why is this important? Because I trade for prop firm. That's what I do. I trade for prop firm. This is the reason why I'm doing this video, because this is very important. It kind of is not the same thing, but it kind of links with it because of the platform. So this is the platform. My Forex fund is a platform. That's what this news is about. And why is this a big deal? Because people choose to start business and don't regulate it because it's more cheaper on their side. But in reality, they don't think about us as the customers. You know what I mean? Because I know for sure a lot of people money is tied up in this shutdown right now. That's a fact. And how I know that? How I know that? Because it says it right here too. The complaints charges them with fraudulent soliciting customers to trade, leverage, margin, or finance retail, foreign exchange, retail forex, and leverage retail commodities transaction. That's what happening right now. And this is what I just read a while ago, peeps. This is what I just read. All right. And the reason why this is a big deal is because my Forex fund is a big, one of those big prop firms. I don't know if you know about the ftmo, the funded trader. Yes, those are Forex, big Forex companies, platform companies. Let's read. According to the complaint, defendant doing business as my Forex funds supposedly offered retail customers the opportunity to become professional traders by using traders' global money to trade against third-party liquidity providers and share in any trading profits. They assure customers that your success is our business and we only make money when you do. But in reality, Traders Global, not a third party liquidity provider, is the counterparty to substantially all customers trade. Meaning the company is doing this among themselves. You know what I mean? When you talk about market manipulation, this is the heights of it. Yes, this is like way up there. Okay, that's what they're doing. They're controlling all the money themselves. You know what I mean? All right, let's go further. As the complaint note, Traders Global pitch has been successful and more than 135,000 customers have been signed up for their trading program since November of 2021, earning at least 310 million in fees. The complaint alleges Karam used proceeds from the fraud to purchase luxurious home and automobiles and make tens of millions of dollars in transfer to his personal account. So he's banking off all his fees to feed his own lifestyle. So people, you have to bear in mind this stuff. Not saying it can happen to me over the futures, but people, you have to bear in mind this stuff. All right, I'm just bringing you the news. That's what I'm doing right now. All right. In separate action, on August 29, the Commission issued a temporary cease trade order that includes a prohibition against all trading in any securities by Traders Global Group Inc. and the owner. All right, that means people they can't do nothing. So all your money is tied up in this saga right now, and that's not good for business. And I reason why it's so important right now, I know for sure because I have invested a lot of time in trading, and it is very time consuming, all right, and very stressful and very difficult mentally. So when people's money they got a company is gonna just take their money. I'm not gonna say they're running a business so they have to charge for stuff. You know what I mean? But when it's not legitimate, bro, that's where the problem is. And people, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this situation and how would you prevent yourself from this happening to you if possible. Let me know in the comment section what you think, guys. All right. And if the video was helpful, people, don't hesitate to smash that like button for me. And if you're a trader or you like to get in trading, I have something to tell you as well. And if you like this type of contents, let me know in the comment section as well. And subscribe to the channel because we do this on a regular, okay? Every day the stock market open, we do this. All right, people? So walk good and take care. All right, there's a link in the description if you want your own futures funded account. All right, people, I will see you. Take care.